And welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete or deactivate your account on Twitter or X. So let us see how you can do that. So first of all, you're going to launch up Twitter, and then once you're in Twitter, you're going to click on your profile icon in the top left corner. Then you're going to click on Settings and Support, then Settings and Privacy. Once you're in, you're going to click on your account, and then from your account, you're going to click on Deactivate your account. Then you're going to click on deactivate. Now, once you click on deactivate, you're going to put your password and you're going to deactivate your account. Now you have at least 30 days, you have a maximum of 30 days to relog in your account. So once you deactivate your account, you're going to log out of all the devices that are logged in of your to your Twitter account. If any one of those devices logs back in to your account again after you click to deactivate in a span of 30 days, your account is going to reactivate. But if you do not log into that account in a span of 30 days, then your account is going to be gone for good. So that's basically how you can delete your account. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you.